Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the website and deciding which language you need. Once done, copy the page URL or keep the tab active. Next, open Google Translate's web page translator or use your browser's translate feature and paste the URL into the web page field. Make sure the detected source language matches the original. If not, set it manually. Then choose your target language and click the Translate or Open button so the translated site loads in a new tab for immediate review. Once the translated page appears, check interactive elements and menus to ensure they rendered correctly. Google Translate preserves layout but may not handle dynamic content. If parts remained untranslated, use the text selection and translate function for specific blocks. For sites with login or forms, translate visible interface text only and avoid translating form values. If you need persistent access, install the browser translate extension and configure preferred languages. This removes repetition and streamlines translating additional. You finish by quickly reviewing headings, buttons, and instructions to confirm meaning. Machine translation can alter nuance. If navigation links break or language reverts, reload the translated tab and make sure the URL stayed in the translated view. For persistent issues, clear browser cache or disable conflicting extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: if the translate tool won't load dynamic content, copy that specific text into the translate text box and translate manually. Then verify the result contextually on the original page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.